and welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are so excited to be going over more products from our Fall and Winter 2023 release. We had so much fun during this August Inspiration Week, and we have been featuring a lot of our Fall and Winter product. Well, this release includes even more Fall and Winter product, and we are so excited about those. We are going to be featuring those products in our September and October Inspiration Weeks with amazing design team samples and lots of intro videos. And we are going to be giving you a peek at those other products today. Now, the awesome thing is that all of these Fall/Winter 2023 products are available on August 24th. So everything that we are featuring in August, September, and October is available on August 24th. So we thought today it would be fun to give you a peek at the rest of the Fall/Winter 2023 products while we wait for the September and October Inspiration Weeks to start. First, we are going to take a look at all of the product we featured in August, and then we are going to show you a little peek at the rest of our Fall/Winter 2023 release. First up, we're going to take a look at Hey There Hay Rides and also the Hey There Hay Rides mice add-on. And this little tractor is just about the cutest thing ever. I love that it can pull a little wagon, and there's so many different types of critters and kids that you can put both in the wagon and in the tractor. And then of course we have that mice add-on, and how sweet is this? I love the Hey Big Cheese. Next, we're going to take a look at the brand new interactive die, ta-da, diorama, and also the ta-da diorama hillside inserts. And this interactive die makes the coolest card. As you pull at those tabs, it opens up to reveal this incredible three-dimensional scene that is so gorgeous. You can decorate it for any season, any holiday. They are so much fun to make. And one of the amazing things is that they lay completely flat, so you can mail them in a standard envelope with standard postage. And you can see here it goes. Ta-da! I love it so much. It's so cute. They are just such a blast to decorate. I love that we've got that little tractor there from Hey There Hay Rides in the back. And here you can see that the ta-da is perfect for fall cards, winter cards, and also year-round cards too. And I just love those little paper airplanes floating on those acetate strips. Next up, we have Baddie for You, and this set is so cute for Halloween and beyond. You can use it on its own, or you can combine it with the waving pull tab starter set, which is so cool. It makes the most amazing interactive cards where the bat can flap his wings, which is just too adorable. You can also create standard cards with this adorable little bat, and they're perfect for Halloween, birthday, or any kind of year-round card that an adorable bat would be perfect on. One of my personal favorite sets is Wild Wolves. These wolves are so super cute. I love them so much. And we also have our wolf before and afters that work really great with the Magic Picture Changer. Here you can see that the wolves are perfect for wintry cards and holiday cards. They're super cute for Halloween cards too, and you could use them year-round as well. They also fit beautifully in the ta-da interactive diorama, which is just so cute and sweet. And then here you can see that Magic Picture Changer that the wolf before and afters are perfect for. So you have your sitting wolf and then your howling wolf, and I think this is just so much fun. Next up, we have our stitched maple leaf frame and also our outside-in stitched maple leaf. And these are so cute because you can create beautiful shaker cards, and you can also create standard cards too, and I just think they are perfect for fall. Next up, we have our spooky forest backdrop, which has these awesome spooky trees and really cool die cut elements that you can add to cards. And then also our spooky gate, which you can use on its own or also with the spooky forest backdrop. And here you can see some gorgeous Halloween cards with this spooky forest backdrop, including that awesome gate. But you can also use this spooky forest backdrop for winter cards too, and I love that it can go to so many seasons. These next dies just get me ready for fall. We have our stitched pumpkins and also our stitched gourds and our harvest crate. And I love that you can use each one of these on their own, or you can combine them together in really cool ways. The stack of pumpkins is one of my favorite things. I just think it's so cute. Here you can see our really cute stitched gourds featured on this adorable card. You can combine the pumpkins and gourds together with some cute stamped critters, and you can add them all into this harvest crate for such a cute look. Then we have our Shadow Box Card Halloween add-on, which goes great with our Shadow Box Card die that helps you create this cute little three-dimensional shadow box with really fun Halloween elements. Speaking of add-ons to favorite die sets, we now have our tiny gift box ghost add-on, which turns this adorable tiny gift box into the sweetest little ghost. I think these little guys are just the cutest. I love that there are two styles of ghosts, and you can also use the ghosts on cards as well, not just on the tiny gift box, and I think that looks so cute too. And now we're going to be going over the rest of our fall and winter products that are going to be featured in September and October. And we're starting off with one of my favorites, which is Winter Birds and also the Winter Birds add-on. These stamp sets are so cute. I love these birds so much, and they are just so sweet on winter cards. And I love that they could be used beyond winter as well. And speaking of birds, those birds need a birdhouse. And so here we have our Build a Birdhouse die and also our Build a Birdhouse Christmas add-on. And I am in love with this birdhouse. Look how cute it looks all decked out for Christmas. And I love that you can bring this birdhouse into spring as well. You can also combine it with the Winter Bird stamp set for the cutest cards. Now we also have a new mini set called Flappy Holiday, and these little birds are so sweet. They can be combined with winter birds, but they were intended to work with our Flippin' Awesome interactive die. And how cute is this? It actually looks like the birds are taking flight, and I think it's just the sweetest thing ever. We have a new set in our popular Simply Celebrate series. We have Simply Celebrate Winter Critters, and these guys might be my favorite of all. We also have a Simply Celebrate Winter Critters add-on with all these cute phrases that you can add into those speech bubbles. And I mean, look at those little winter critters. Look at the bug saying bah humbug. Oh, so cute and so sweet. Next up, we have our Christmas before and afters. This has the cutest little Christmas images that are perfect for cards and also really great in the Magic Picture Changer as well. And I just love the cute little scenes that you can create with them, and they are a perfect match for the Tada Diorama Interactive Die too. Here we have Positive Christmas, which is the cutest set. I love the little dog and kitten inside the stockings. You can make adorable cards like this, or you can even make cute little tags for your Christmas presents, which I think is a fun way to use this set. Next up, we have one of the dies I am most excited about, and that is the Build a Snow Globe. You can use this to create a super cute snow globe to feature a cute image like the one from Christmas Before and Afters. And you can also build shakers with this, and the shakers turn out so gorgeous. I cannot wait to create lots of snow globe scenes. And then here we have our Winter Wonderland window. This window is so magical. It's the perfect way to frame a sentiment or to frame a cute scene. I love it here around our adorable new Build a Birdhouse. I just think it's so pretty, and I can't wait to cut it out of holographic cardstock too. Here we have a brand new add-on for our Magic Iris. It's the Magic Iris Holly Wreath add-on. You can use it without the Magic Iris, or you can use it with the Magic Iris, and it's such a cute way to feature an adorable sentiment, or even one of those little winter birds would be so cute inside. Next up, we have our Sparkle Garland borders. Oh my goodness, these are so beautiful, and they are gorgeous cut out of metallic and holographic cardstocks. They just have the perfect little detail for the top of your Christmas cards. Next up, we have our Holly Leaves border. I love that there's a long border, which is a really cute place to feature the new winter birds, or you can use the shorter little garland pieces there to add some details around your snow globe or other fun die-cut images. We have a new add-on for our embroidery hoop. It's the Embroidery Hoop Snowflake add-on. There are actually 4 different patterns that you can make with this adorable snowflake, which is so cute. But you can also get really creative and do other things like a spider web. There are so many cool things that you can do with it. Here we have our Merry Mistletoe. This is such a beautiful die. It's really fun to use on its own like we did here, or you could even put it over those kissing mice from Christmas Before and Afters. This is our Winter Yeti. He is in our paper piecing style die, and he just looks so cute. I love him so much. He always makes me smile. We have some awesome new hot foil plates, and this is our Starry Sky background hot foil plate. And we designed it so that it would look like beautiful snow for winter, or it can be a great sky for a Halloween card, or even a camping nighttime scene. And here you can see another little winter card. It looks beautiful hot foiled over pattern papers too. We also have some new hot foil sentiments. This is our foiled sentiments Let It Snow and Merry Christmas. They fit a 3-inch circle die, which makes it awesome to use them. So you can use it without the die like we did here, and they are so sparkly and gorgeous, or you can use it with any 3-inch circle die in your stash to create gorgeous cards like this, and I think these large sentiments are just beautiful. Next up, we have a new 3-step stencil that's called Winter Sprigs Background Stencils. And the 3-step stencils make it so that you can add such beautiful color to your cards and create gorgeous backgrounds for your really, really beautiful sentiments and scenes. We have 2 new paper collections that I am completely in love with. First up, we have Favorite Flannel, and we have it both in the 12 by 12 size and the 6 by 6 size. And this paper almost looks like flannel fabric. It is so cozy and perfect for fall and winter. You can see that we have 2 styles of the flannel, both the straight design and also the diagonal, depending on what's perfect for each of your projects. Then we have our Spiffier Speckles collection, also both in the 12 by 12 and 6 by 6 sizes. And this collection is gorgeous because it has gold foil on it. And here is a look at what that foil looks like. Isn't that just stunning? This white paper is one of my favorites because you can ink blend over it and create all sorts of fun custom colors. And on the back, you can see we have this beautiful tone on tone design. Here is a look at one of the other papers that is just this beautiful lavender color with the gold foil. It's just so pretty. And then once again, on the back, we have that tone on tone design. We have a new textured cardstock pack in a gray color palette. I love this cardstock. It's perfect for die cutting, and I love that you have all of the different shades that you can work with. We also have 4 new washi tape designs. We have Happy Hedgehogs, Ghouls Night Out, Christmas Tree Lot foiled washi tape, and also Frosty Friends washi tape. And here is a look at what all of these tapes look like, and they are so much fun. I love putting them on all of my wrapped gifts in the holidays. I also love putting them on my envelopes. I just think they're so cute and they make me smile so much. And that is a look at the product in our Fall/Winter 2023 release. We had so much fun creating in this August Inspiration Week, and you will definitely need to check out the intro videos featuring a ton of the product we showed you today. And we cannot wait to share more card inspiration throughout these next few months, including our September and October Inspiration Weeks that will have more intro videos too. And I am so excited that all of this Fall/Winter 2023 product will be available on August 24th. I also wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for your wonderful comments and for watching our videos and just being absolutely incredible. We appreciate you guys so much, and we cannot wait to see what you're going to create with these brand new products because, oh my goodness, that is the very best part. We love seeing your incredible and amazing creations. We are so grateful for you, and we thank you so much for being so awesome, and thank you so much for watching today. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!